Hello friends, today I'm going to make greens curry. So this is palak and this is arakira. I don't know the name in English, but it is called are soppu in Kannada. Arve soppu, sorry. And this is chakota. So I'm going to cut them now. After plucking the greens, you have to wash them thoroughly till the impurities are gone. I have added this much of coriander leaves, and these are the ingredients required for the greens curry. This is tamarind. These are 3 green chilies, garlic, onion, 4 red chilies, tur dal, and this is jeera, urad dal and mustard mix. Now we are going to start, friends. So I'm going to cut this onion now. I have cut the onion. I am going to peel off the garlic by using my garlic peeler. I have added tur dal to the cooker. Now I'm going to wash it. Now I have cooked tur dal, garlic, onion, tamarind and green chili in this cooker. I'm going to open it now. I need to add more water and add greens to it. You don't need to worry. Once this starts cooking, this quantity will reduce down. Now it has started cooking. You can see the quantity has reduced a lot. You can see the greens are cooked. I'm going to switch off the gas. Now I'm going to let it cool for some time. I'm going to add salt. As you can see, the curry is becoming green now. I have finished blending the curry. It looks green now. I'm going to taste it. It tastes good. I'm going to use this clay pot to temper the curry. First, add oil. Wait for the oil to get heated up. Now add the mixed tur dal, mustard and jeera. Sorry, urad dal. Wait for it to splutter. Now add these red chilies. I have added the curry. So first you have to mix it well and let it boil for 5 minutes. The curry has been boiling for 5 minutes. It looks very yummy. Now I'm going to taste it. Yummy!